everybody. We're going to go through how to install the 3CX mobile application on your Apple iPhone. So as most of you probably aware, iPhone and I don't get along very well, so hopefully this will go smoothly. All right, so let's start off by opening up our phone on the side here, and I'm just going to pin this to the top for now. Okay, so you'll have received an email saying with a subject line of welcome to 3CX. Okay, this is gives you all the information about your extension. All right, so we're going to click on that now. Okay, it's a little bit blurry up on here, especially when you're trying to drill down into the email. So I'll try and expand it out as I go. All right, so this email basically just gives you information about your extension, which is your Office extension at work. All right, it has the extension number, your voicemail pin, your web client link, which is here. And if we scroll down here a little bit further, we have the links to the iOS and Android apps. And if we just scroll out of this now and have a look further, we have down here some attachments, which is the PDF, the Getting Started PDF, the configuration file, and a QR code. All right, these are going to come in handy later on. All right, so first of all, let's go and download the app itself. So in this case, you want to download the iOS app. All right, this is going to take us straight to the application in the App Store. We're going to download it. And hopefully it's going to work. Yep. We're going to open the app. All right, and it's going to tell us that, or ask us rather, for some privileges to be granted to it. All right, it needs to be able to send notifications, access the microphone, access the camera for scanning QR codes and for video chat as well, and access your contacts as well. Okay, so we've successfully installed it, and it now wants us to scan a QR code. Okay. What we're going to do in this case, because we have the email on our phone here, we're going to go back into the email here. All right, and we're going to find that 3CX configuration file. All right, so we're going to tap on that. It's downloaded it. Now tap on it again to open it, and it should ask us in here what we want to do to open with, and hopefully in here somewhere there should be copy to 3CX. Nope. We hit copy button. This is why I love Apple. Let's try it again. Tap. Hit copy. There we go. Third time's the charm. So there we go. We've hit copy to 3CX, and it's finally come up and provisioned. All right. At the top right here, we can see that the extension is on hook. It is called test extension. All right, which is correct. What we've called it. We can click on the green icon at the top there and change our profile status to whether we're available, away, do not disturb. Right, on the left-hand side here, we can click through some of the settings on here. So if we click on the actual extension itself, it takes us back to that status settings. Settings, accounts, oh, there it is in here. Okay, so if we need to disable the account for any reason, okay, we go to settings and accounts and come here, and all we do is actually click on this little blue icon here. Right, and now when we go back, we have to make sure we hit back. go back to your keypad, and you'll see that it just went unregistering, and now there is no account there. Okay, to re-register your account again, so this would be if you're going away on holidays or something and didn't want the phone ringing, but still wanted the phone to be able to ring in the office in case somebody else was sitting at your desk. So come back in here, go to accounts, tick the blue dot, hit back, hit our keypad, and we'll see waiting on network, and now it's on hook and registered. Okay, that's how simple it is to do it on your iPhone. What we're going to do right now is we're going to actually delete the account now, hopefully. There we go. Okay, so now we have no account on here as we've just set the phone up again. All right, this time we're going to do it by the QR code. So say in this case, you've had the email sent to your work email address, and you haven't forwarded it through to your email on your iPhone, but you want to set it up at work while you're there so that you can test it. So we go to our email that's come through. Okay, once again, same email. This is just showing it in Chrome, and we have the QR code here. Okay, so we're going to open up the QR code. As you can see that it's open here now, and on our phone we're going to hit scan QR code. Okay, yep, and of course I managed to line that up perfectly, that it scanned as soon as it came in. So let's just delete that account again. All right, so now we're going to tell it to scan a QR code and not point it at it. Okay, so now we're going to come back here a bit. There we go. As soon as it came in line, it picked up the QR code, and we can see now that test extension 105 is online, and everything's all good. So from here, we can see the status of our users on there. We can search for specific users. Okay. We can see the contacts of our phone, which I shouldn't have done that. The keypad, so we can dial numbers and letters on there. See our recent calls, all right, through this extension, and any messages. This has the chat feature in there. All right, so we can actually send a message to ourselves. Hello from iPhone Land. All right, and on my web client, I see here that I have a message saying hello from iPhone Land. I will reply back to that. I'll just pin this back on the side again so we can see it come through in real time. So I say hello, and there you go, that pops through straight away. So that's pretty much it. We can come back here, go back to our keypad, and there we go. Once again, it just works as an extension in your of your phone system. So generally, if your desk phone would ring, this phone would ring as well. All right, thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.